Hello, everyone. Are you tired of feeling hungry and unsatisfied while trying to lose weight? We understand that dieting doesn't have to be a miserable experience. That is why we have created a 7-day meal plan that will help you lose weight without feeling deprived. In this video, we will show you how to lose weight by eating delicious and easy-to-prepare meals. Our meal plan is based on the principles of portion control, balanced nutrition, and mindful eating. We will provide you with a list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions for each recipe so that you can follow along and enjoy the process of cooking and eating. Before we begin, please take some time to like and subscribe to our channel. This will help us continue to create valuable content for you. Now let's get started with the 7-day meal plan. Day 1. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Start your day with a delicious and nutritious meal of baked salmon and roasted vegetables. This dish is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a salmon fillet and chopped vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers on a baking sheet. Drizzle olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Roast for 15–20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. Day 2. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. For breakfast, enjoy a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and nuts. This parfait is a great source of protein, vitamins, and antioxidants and is sure to keep you feeling energized and focused throughout the morning. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt, berries, and nuts of your choice. Drizzle honey and sprinkle with granola for added texture and flavor. Day 3. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Scrambled eggs are a classic breakfast dish that can be elevated with the addition of spinach and tomatoes. This protein-packed meal is also rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritious and satisfying choice for breakfast. In a pan on low heat, scramble eggs with chopped spinach and tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Day 4. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. This hearty and filling soup is packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, making it a great choice for a satisfying and nutritious meal. In a pot on low heat, simmer lentils, carrots, celery, and onion until the lentils are tender. Add vegetable broth and seasonings like cumin and coriander. Serve hot with a slice of whole grain bread. Day 5. Chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Chicken stir-fry is a quick and easy meal that is perfect for busy weeknights. This dish is packed with lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and a variety of vegetables, making it a well-balanced and nutritious choice. In a pan or wok on medium heat, stir-fry chicken, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and brown rice. Season with soy sauce and serve hot. Day 6. Turkey meatballs with marinara sauce and whole wheat pasta. Turkey meatballs are a healthier alternative to traditional beef meatballs, and they're just as delicious. This meal is high in protein and fiber, and it is also a great source of iron and other essential nutrients. In a pan on low heat, brown ground turkey and mix in chopped onion and garlic. Shape the mixture into meatballs and bake in the oven. Meanwhile, heat marinara sauce and serve the meatballs with whole wheat pasta and sauce. Day 7. Tofu and vegetable curry with quinoa. This flavorful and aromatic curry is packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious and satisfying meal. In a pan on medium heat, saute onions, garlic, and ginger. Add tofu, curry powder, and turmeric. Pour coconut milk and bring to a boil. Serve the curry over cooked quinoa and enjoy. Thank you for following along with our 7-day meal plan. We hope that you enjoyed these easy and delicious recipes that are perfect for weight loss. Remember that portion control, balanced nutrition, and mindful eating are key to achieving your weight loss goals. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. You can also share your feedback and suggestions in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you on your journey to a healthier and happier life. Until next time, happy dieting.